Okay, welcome back again. Let's start with the later part, basic property of fraction. You have to remember one thing, the value of a fraction will not change if it is multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number. Okay, you have to remember that. Now dividing the numerator and denominator of a fraction by same number is usually called cancelling. Okay, now let us deal with some example. Write the natural numbers from 3 to 19 and what fraction of them are even numbers. So first you write the natural numbers from 3 to 19 and then you find the even numbers. We have 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. And if you count them, these are 8 numbers. So 8 upon 17, because the total number from 3 to 19 is 17, it's coming when you count them. So the fraction is 8 upon 17. You have to fill in the missing number. 2 upon 5 is equal to dash upon 45. Now you see, if you check here, with what number 5 should be multiplied to get 45? 9. The same number will be multiplied by 2 also. So 2 9s are 18. So 18 upon 45 will be your answer. Reduce to the following in the lowest terms. To do that, you have to find the factors, HCF of 75 and 35, or you can cancel also, which I've learned in previous classes, by direct 5 and then onwards. Okay, so 75 and 35, 135 is the 15 is the HCF, so you divide both the numbers by 15 and you get answers 5 and 9. Other way you can do is you write factors of 75, or you take prime factors of 75. 3 into 25 will give you 75, and 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. 15 9s is 35. So you cancel 5 and 3. What is left is 5 upon 9. So this method also you can use. Like in 660, you find out the factors. Prime factors: 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 11, and 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So here 1 2 crosses out, 2 2 crosses out, 1 2 is left, 3 crosses out. So 5 11s are 55 and 2 7s are 14. Or you can divide by smaller numbers stepwise also to get the answer. Conversion of given fractions to equivalent like fractions. In order to do that, you have to first find the LCM of these three numbers. So here you can see 2 4s are 6, 45, 2 2 3, 45, 3 2 1, 15. So 3 4s are 12, 12 15s are 360. You multiply and you get the answer as 360. Now you convert all the numbers fractions in equivalent form. For example, we have to bring down the denominator as 360. So 8 45s are 360. So 7 45s are, you have to get the answer as multiplying. 7 5s are 35, 3 carry 7 4s are 28, 28 and 3 31. Okay, so you have 315 here. Then again 17 into 30 and 12 into 30 is 360. 1 0 you put here. 3 7s are 21, 2 carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. 8 1s are 8, 8 4s are 32, and 45 8s are 360. So this is how you convert them into equivalent form, like multiplying both the numbers by same number to get this 360. Once you get all the numbers in the denominator place is 360, now you can easily see it is the equivalent form of these fractions given. Okay, next you will be understanding how to compare the fraction. The process is similar. You will find the LCM. You got the LCM as 144 here. Then you convert them into equivalent form, multiplying both the numbers by same number in order to achieve the LCM as 144 in the denominator's place. You can see here it has got. After doing this, what you will do is you will check the number. Now all are converted into like fractions. So 99, then 104, and after that 120. So it comes in the ascending order, and vice versa as the descending, means this will come first, then followed by this, then this, and then this. So this is all about for today. Go through the video, try and understand. These are not very difficult or a typical one. Just practice, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the online classes. God bless.